Knowledge is power essay. Knowledge is power is a famous proverb is said by the great English philosopher Francis Bacon. The meaning of this proverb is that a person with knowledge is far better than a person who is in the darkness of ignorance. Knowledge is the key to success. You could gain respect, power, and position through knowledge. God has given us this great ability to achieve the knowledge and to use it for our own betterment and the welfare of society. Knowledge is the power which enables the man to search, invent, and discover the new aspects of life. It helps the mankind to make the world a better, safe, convenient, and beautiful place to live. Knowledge is a treasure that cannot be stolen. This is the only wealth that increases when you spend it. It is the light that separates and removes the darkness. Knowledge was, is, and will be the need of humankind. It helps us to come out as a confident and mature person. A man who has knowledge sees the life with a different and better point of view. Knowledge gives us moral support and strength, and it also makes us a strong and open-minded person. But we must keep in mind one most important thing, that we should use our knowledge for the benefit of ourselves and other people. It must be used in a constructive way and not in a destructive way. Our power of knowledge is valuable, through which we can change the negative to positive and the worst to better. So we have utilized this great power carefully and wisely to get the best result that is profitable for us and the society. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.